Hey guys, it's Guru. I'm back with one package Mailday and two other things to show you guys. So I'm gonna start off with the one package Mailday. It's from CnC. I joined a case of 1112 Panini Titanium. I ended up getting the Devils 10th pick, so it was pretty good. Guru. So it's always hard to open this, but I'm gonna try my best. So I got both corners. So they ended up throwing some basins, so that's pretty cool of them. They're all from Flair Ultra. Calturus. I'm not gonna bother going through them. So from the group break, I ended up getting 4 cards. This Ilya Kovalchuk, red out of 99. Martin Brodeur, Muir red to 99. Game worn gear, Patrick Eliash. And for the hit of the break for me, Hat Tricks triple jersey, which I won from a random 128 of 199 of Adam Henrique, Marcus Kruger, and Aaron Palushai. So that's a pretty nice card. So all the cards from the group break are for trade. So now on to the group break that I'm hosting. So I have 2 spots taken already. And 2 boxes are 11-12 Panini Contenders and 12-13 Upper Deck Artifacts. Double up, which is 15 spots, 2 teams per spot, $14 per spot. And if you guys end up getting no hits in the break, I'm going to be sending something out. And these 2 cards are going to be raffled off. Ray Whitney, Be a Player signatures. And treasured swatches of Eric Lindros to 250. And multi-spot deals do apply. So if you take 1 or more spots, I'll give you a good discount. And I ended up going to the Leaf practice on Sunday. And I ended up getting 25 autographs. So I'm going to go through them. I got a Bozak, James Van Riemsdyk, 2 McClements, Cody Franzen. So that's my first Cody Franzen, and my first James Van Riemsdyk. Matt Fraden. I had a double Young Gun, so just got it signed. 2 Colton Orrs. My first Colton Orrs. 2 MacArthurs. 6 Kadris. He was pretty nice. He signed all of them. 3 Coolmans. And 6 Grabowskis. So that was pretty fun, meeting them in person. So hope you guys like this video. Please PM me if you are interested in any cards, and if you're interested in my group break. And that gives me a total of 109 in-person autograph cards. So that's all I have to say, and I'll see you guys next time.